Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades YouTube barber. Today I've got Martin in the chair. We're going to start out and we're just going to prep the hair. We're going to wet it through and just section it off to where we need it to be. So Martin wants a mid to low fade, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to start out, we're going to debulk, so I have got the number 3 guard on, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that bulk out at the top, just so it makes it easier for me to put my initial skin line in. Also in this cut, I am using the Gamma Boosted. If you are interested, drop me a message down below and I can give you a discount code for the UK. If you're in the USA, you can use my code Rusty15 and that'll give you a 15% discount. So it is my first video for quite a while, so I hope you do enjoy this. I hope everyone's had a good Christmas and a New Year, and this year I am going to try and smash my YouTube channel. So now we're going to set the skin line in. I'm using the StyleCraft Evo with the X Pro blade on there, and it also has the new one cutting blade. And the combo is absolutely unbelievable. It's so smooth. No one really complains of any snagging or tugging. So it's definitely a combination that's worth putting on to any of the StyleCraft trimmers. So now we've put the skin line in, we're going to ball it out now. I'm using the StyleCraft Rebel shaver. Absolutely awesome machine, so small, really affordable, but it's just so quick at taking it down to skin. Now we're going to go with no guard on with the open lever, and I normally go up a finger's width and just work all the way around. And once I've done that, I will work down through the clicks until I get to the bottom of the skin line, and then I'll return back to the trimmer and remove the harsh line, because whatever you put the line in with, you should always be able to get it out with. And again, we're going to repeat this process and put the number 1 guard on, again a finger's width. I'm going to work all the way around the head, working your way down from an open lever down to a closed.
Damn it, Tito, another one?
So now, because there's a little bit of a discrepancy there, we're going to put the half guard on with the lever half open and just work at that line, and then obviously we'll keep working down through the clicks until we're at the bottom. That's what I did, and now we're going to go back in with the trimmer and work at that bottom line just to make sure it all blends really nice. So I'm really happy with how the blends come out so far, and then I just went in with some clipper over comb just to take some of that bulk out, and then I put the 2 guard on and just worked into that hair at the top that was a bit longer. Now one side of his hair grows perfectly down, and the other side actually grows from front to back. so it's a bit awkward sometimes. And then I've just gone back in with clipper over comb just to try and get that to blend a little bit more. So it was going to take some length off the top, but once we'd wet it through and we'd combed it up onto the style that it would normally have, he was quite happy with the length how it was. So we didn't actually end up taking any length off the top. Once I'd showed him in the mirror, he was really pleased with that. So we just decided to dry it out, put a little bit of salt spray on there, and just he went with that. He was really happy with it. If you're interested in the scissors that I use for people who are over in the USA, I'm not sure if you're in the UK, but I use shear place scissors. Again, if you're interested, you can use my code RUSTY10 and that'll save you 10% discount. Absolutely awesome scissors, so they're definitely worth going and checking out. So this was how the final cut ended up. I hope you like this video. If you have gained anything from this, remember to smash that like and subscribe and the notification, and I'll catch you in the next one.